Okay, now we're going to put in our light. So finding the center of the room, we are going to have it hanging down from the ceiling here. Depends how low you want it to hang, really. This is going to be quite a low pendant. All right, now I am drawing a rectangle, so the front-facing part of the object. Stick to the blue lines if you can. Then coming back to the vanishing point here. Right, let's put in the window next. Gonna have a pretty epic window. All right, now we're going to see the inside sill of the window. Maybe you've got a little plant that sits up there too. Right. Okay, let's put a rug on the floor. Gonna make this quite a big rug. This would be an opportunity for you to show your interior design style that you've been researching. Putting an appropriate pattern on it. I'll just put a bit of a grid there, but realistically you could do any kind of design on that. And finally, we'll put one floating shelf in above here, maybe a bit of a mirror as well. All right, let's stop there. So there you have your 1-point bedroom.